Can just $5 a day really change your financial future? It sounds small, barely the price of a coffee or a snack. But what if that small daily decision was the key to building long-term wealth? Join me as I take on the challenge of growing my wealth with just $5 a day, and let us find out if it's truly possible to turn spare change into something life-changing. Growing your wealth doesn't have to require a lot of money up front. In fact, starting small can be a great way to build healthy financial habits and make investing a part of your daily routine. By investing just $5 a day, you can potentially turn that into a significant amount of wealth over time. This approach is all about making consistent progress, rather than trying to invest a lot of money at once. The idea of investing a small amount every day is that it becomes a habit. Before you know it, you've built up a substantial portfolio. It's a strategy that's accessible to everyone, regardless of their income level. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone who's just starting to build their financial foundation. Investing $5 a day can be a great way to get started. Many people think that investing requires a lot of money, but that's not necessarily true. With $5 a day, you can start building wealth and securing your financial future. It's a great way to take control of your finances and make progress towards your long-term goals. We all know that saving and investing money can be tough, especially when you're living paycheck to paycheck. Financial insecurity is a major stress for many people, and it's hard to know where to start when it comes to investing. Some people might feel like they don't have enough money to invest, while others might be worried about taking on too much risk. Lack of knowledge is another common challenge people face when it comes to investing. There are so many different investment options out there. It can be overwhelming to try to figure out which ones are right for you. You might be worried about making a mistake or losing money, which can be a major deterrent. Others might feel like they're not experts in finance, so they don't know where to start. They might be worried about needing a lot of money to get started, or feeling like investing is only for wealthy people. These concerns are totally understandable, but the good news is that investing doesn't have to be complicated. There are many resources available to help you learn more about investing and personal finance. You can start by reading books, articles, or online forums. You can also talk to a financial advisor or join a community of investors to learn from their experiences. Investing $5 a day can be a great way to overcome these challenges. By starting small, you can build your confidence and develop healthy financial habits. You can also try out different investment options to see what works best for you. So what are some investment options that are available for small amounts like $5 a day? One option is to invest in stocks. You can buy fractional shares of your favorite companies, even if you can't afford to buy a full share. Another option is to open a savings account with a high-yield interest rate. This can be a low-risk way to earn some interest on your money. Micro-investing apps are another popular option. These apps allow you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. They often have low or no fees, and you can set up automatic transfers from your checking account. Some popular micro-investing apps include Acorns, Robinhood, and Stash. You can also consider investing in a robo-advisor. These platforms use algorithms to create a diversified investment portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. They often have low fees and require low minimum balances. For example, let's say you invest $5 a day into a micro-investing app. The potential outcomes of investing $5 a day can be impressive. Over time, your wealth can grow significantly, and you can achieve your long-term financial goals. For instance, if you invest $5 a day for 10 years, earning an average annual return of 7%, you could end up with around $23,419. Real-life success stories show that investing small amounts consistently can lead to significant wealth growth. Some people have turned their small investments into substantial nest eggs. Simulations also show that investing $5 a day can lead to impressive returns over time. By investing $5 a day, you can potentially turn that into a significant amount of wealth over time. This approach can help you build wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. Investing small amounts consistently can lead to impressive returns. To wrap things up, investing $5 a day can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. It's a strategy that's accessible to everyone, and it can help you build healthy financial habits. By starting small, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards a more secure future. The key is to be consistent and patient. Don't expect to get rich quick, but instead focus on making progress over time. With $5 a day, you can start building wealth and securing your financial future. Investing $5 a day is a great way to take control of your finances and make progress towards your long-term goals. It's a strategy that's accessible to everyone, and it can help you build healthy financial habits. If you're interested in trying out the $5 a day strategy, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about investing small amounts of money? If you've tried it before, let me know. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on personal finance and investing. I've got a ton of content on how to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.